On November 21, we got our first look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A51 and A71. Insider Diary noted that Samsung would be officially unveiling the duo in December, and sure enough, the Korean tech giant has now teased these A-series devices in a promo video along with their launch date. The video teaser published by Samsung Vietnam showcases a handful of camera-centric designs in their optic capabilities with a focus on night photography. The promo concludes with a single-lens punch-hole phone and a tagline that reads 2020, signaling the phone to be either the Samsung A71 or the Galaxy A51. The design shot off by the promo video is in line with the 360-degree renders mentioned earlier. You are looking at an identical centered punch-hole cutout borrowed from the year's Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and an L-shaped camera setup on the back. The duo shares a similar design language but differs in hardware specifications. The purported Galaxy A71 packs a bigger screen and beefier specs in comparison to the A51, as evident by a report which confirms that the A51 will sport a 6.2-inch display and a 32-megapixel selfie camera inside the punch hole. You get an Exynos 9611 chipset at the heart of the device, rounded off with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB onboard storage options. These modest internals are backed by a 4000 mAh battery. The hardware on the A71 leans more towards the upper mid-range end. The display measures 6.7 inches and produces an FHD Plus resolution. The SoC is tipped to be a Snapdragon 675 paired with 8 GB of RAM and a 4500 mAh power cells. The rear optic package remains surprisingly robust. The rectangular camera bump will feature a 48-megapixel primary shooter, a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, a ToF sensor, and finally a 12-megapixel telephoto cam. We have yet to receive confirmation as to which of these latest handsets is the promo referring to, but one thing is for sure, that the first batch of the new mystery A2020 models will be launched on the December 8, 2019. So before to the next video, please subscribe, comment and like, and click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.